You are not a tree. You don't have roots keeping you stuck where you are. If you're tired of waking up feeling like you're not enough, if you've had it with the excuses, the comfort zone, the average life, then hear me now. In just 7 days, you can begin a change so real, so radical, that you become unrecognizable to the old you. Now, I'm not talking about magic. I'm talking about mindset, discipline, character, repetition. And if you'll give me the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 7 days that could define the rest of your life. Day 1, get honest with yourself. We start with brutal honesty. No filters, no pretending. You cannot conquer what you refuse to confront. Sit down, write out the truth. What's working in your life? What's broken? Where are you lying to yourself? Takeaway: honesty is the foundation of all transformation. Day 2, set a ridiculous standard. Don't just want to improve, demand it. Disgust is a powerful emotion. It's when you've had enough that change begins. On day 2, raise your personal standard, not to good enough, but to greatness. Write this down. From today, I don't tolerate laziness, excuses, procrastination. You rise to the level you tolerate. Day 3, change your environment, change your identity. You cannot plant new habits in toxic soil. That means clean your room, reorganize your space, unfollow distractions online, surround yourself with those on fire for growth. Discipline is easier in a place of clarity. Don't just change yourself. Change where you live, work, scroll, and think. Day 4, create a morning that builds you. Your life doesn't get better by chance. It gets better by change. A great day starts before the sun comes up. Build a morning that builds you. No more waking up late and checking notifications. Instead, move your body. Read something great. Sit in silence. Write your goals. Drink water before coffee. Own your morning or you'll lose your day. Day 5, speak like you mean it. Your words are power. They plant seeds in your mind. Stop saying, I'm trying or I can't. Start saying, I am becoming. I choose. I will. Don't speak as a victim. Speak as a builder. The words you repeat become the world you create. Day 6, take action, not notes. You've read enough. You've heard enough. Now it's time. Pick 3 bold actions today. Send the message. Sign up for the course. Wake up earlier. Forgive someone. Write the business plan. Take massive action, even if it's messy. Growth is a contact sport. You learn by doing. Day 7, become the person who earned it. Success isn't something you chase. It's something you attract by the person you become. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Who would you be if you fully believed in yourself? Then act like your life depends on it, because it does. Not your survival, but your potential. Now let me leave you with this. The next 7 days won't be easy, but neither is staying the same. You think change is hard. Try regret. You see, life has a cost. You either pay the price of discipline today, or you pay the price of disappointment tomorrow. And I'll tell you something. Disappointment doesn't ask for your permission. It just shows up when you settle, when you shrink, when you postpone your greatness. But not you, not anymore. Because today, you woke up. You decided that you are no longer available for mediocrity. You decided that the person in the mirror, the one with the dreams, the hurt, the ambition, the fire, deserves a fighting chance. And if you'll push, if you'll commit, if you'll show up day after day, even when it's hard, you'll look back just 7 days from now and say, I don't even recognize the person I was before this started. That's the power of intention. That's the magic of decision. That's what happens when you finally decide to live wide awake. So, walk tall, speak clearly, lead boldly, and never again betray your potential. Because when your habits change, your life changes. When your circle changes, your future changes, and when your standard changes, you become unstoppable. This is your time. This is your week. This is your 7-day revolution. And I promise you, if you commit fully, the world won't just see a new version of you, they won't even recognize the old one. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems. Wish for more skills.